also don't want them getting used to the habit of running away from you, so that's where the leash comes in. She's just really interested in engaging play with the other dogs right now, and it's also feeding time. That's understandable, but I still don't want her to be doing that. That's why I'm using a leash. And we'll be using treats. Now, depending on the mood of the dog, some dogs would probably not want some food, or in Ceres's case right now, she's just much more interested in trying to engage and play with the other dogs here. So very simple. I'm actually using a clicker, which we can teach you as we go on with the program or go on with the series with Ceres on how to use the clicker. Yeah. So I've already taught her how to sit, but it's really easy. See, I'm just rewarding her for those little bits of good behavior. And I'm just going to hold a piece of treat and lift my hand up for a sit. Now for the down, you're using a magnet method of like raising my hand up and then going to a down position. There are 3 ways that you can do this. Sometimes it's just straight down. You can also do it diagonal, going forward in between the legs. Some dogs just have to do it slowly, going far. Now you have to be patient. They're a puppy. They have an IQ of a 2-year-old. You never want to get mad with them, because if that happens, there you go. They lose interest. They would not want to play with you anymore. And these Border Collie dogs are what I would say really difficult to train, because they nitpick on your errors as a handler or as a trainer. There you go. I marked that because that was a good behavior. And then I can continue marking. So that's a challenge between training Golden Retrievers. Well, at least difference between training a Golden Retriever and a Border Collie. Border Collies, they will nitpick on your errors and they will remember that. Whereas for Golden Retrievers and Labradors, they do sometimes let you go away with it. They're much more forgiving, I would say. Now, alternatively, if you don't have a clicker, we just use our voice. We just replace the clicker with the word yes. There you go. When we're giving treats, we want it to be big enough that it's rewarding. You don't want to give them like super small crumbs that they think it's not valuable enough for them. Hey, yes, there you go. You look at that. Of course, just have a good time with your dog. Yes, that's a good puppy.